Hello everyone, welcome back to Tutorial Millennial channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to freeze your video on CapCut apps. Let's get started. First, if you have open your video that you want to edit, and then in here you just click on the video, click on it, and choose the scenes that you want to freeze. Maybe this one. And then at the menu you can swipe until you can see on freeze this one. So it's simple, just click on it and finish. So that how to freeze the video, your video on CapCut apps. Let's get on CapCut apps. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoy with the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Happy editing guys, bye bye.